What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another day in the vlog. For today's video, I'm going to be giving my review of a 1997 Toyota Avalon XL. Guys, this car has been with me. This was actually the first car that I ever bought. This car I got from my parents. It was all well taken care of. And when this is your first car, you kind of just beat on it low-key and just kind of do stuff that, I mean, you do things that you wouldn't normally do. There's so much that this car has been through. Like, it's not even funny. Like, this car feels like neglected now that I have my Alfa Romeo and I had all my motorcycles and stuff, but this car has still been with me throughout all of these years. I bought this when I turned 16, which was about, I don't know, like 4.5 years ago. So it's kind of interesting to have a car this long. I towed with this car across America when I had my towing company. I replaced parts on this. I replaced the rack and pinion myself. That was the first thing that I ever replaced on a car that actually got me into cars, because I didn't want to spend the hundreds of dollars just to replace the rack and pinion. I was like, dude, the part's like 160 bucks on eBay. I'll just do it myself. Even you saw yesterday in my parents' Toyota Sequoia, the 2001 Sequoia video that I'll link right up there, that even in that video or whatever, the seats were all torn, but in this car, they're not torn really. There's cars like way older. I mean, this is a 97 versus a 2001, so this one's 5 years older. This car has been solid, like super solid. It's still running. Years later, I've got right now 213,000 miles on the car. I mean, it's still running like a champ, and this car has been put through so much, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding. This car almost flew off the side of a mountain. It's gone into a ditch multiple times, where I've spun off the road and fallen in a ditch, not replacing anything, and then got submerged almost like halfway. And then there was the time where my radiator blew up when on my way home from Borrego Springs, and so it overheated while I'm driving home, and I just literally replaced the radiator. I mean, like, guys, this car has been through so much off-roading in Borrego Springs. Like, car has seen so much, and I have just abused this car. It makes me feel bad, but I mean, this car can definitely take whatever you throw at it, because it's a Toyota, and this literally lasts forever. It's still running now, and that's just absolutely, it's crazy to me. But if you're looking for a nice, reliable car, guys, this car is your go-to, because this car can handle whatever you throw at it. And I have the limited edition where it's actually a 6-seat that you can just flip it right up, and you can have 6 people in this car. So having 6 people in this car, it definitely gets you some looks, because as you drive around, people are like, wait, there's a third person in the front. You're like, yeah, I know. And no one has that. Makes this car especially unique. All the parts are very easy to find. You can find them at AutoZone, O'Reilly's. They're on every auto store that you can potentially even want to look at. In addition, the car's parts are really cheap to replace. Over the last couple of years that I've owned it, the only things I've really done is, I mean, I replaced the rack and pinion after that went out. Just pumps, belts, spark plugs, the gaskets for the head gaskets. Yeah, this car has been pretty solid. I can't think of anything else. This is the 6-cylinder edition, and I mean, they only come in V6s, so for those of you guys are wondering, but this is the 6-cylinder edition. It's always gotten pretty good gas mileage. I've always gotten around like 18 to 22 miles per gallon in the last 4.5 years that I had it, and then before then, my parents had this car for like another 5 years previously, so this car's been in the family for like 10 years now, still holding up together. Oh, as you guys can tell, someone just paved part of this road, which is the pothole road right to my house, which is super nice to be able to have that. This car has honestly served me so well, and it handles so nice and well. I hope you guys liked today's video of this Toyota Avalon, and if you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment the word orange down below if you guys stayed this far in, guys. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. That, guys, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.